I turned my New York City apartment into a campsite, and here's how it went. But first, I needed some help. Okay, we're going camping.
Packed up to go to Glacier National Park, the live stream on YouTube.
We are getting our camping supplies right now. My boyfriend brought it from his apartment because I told him I really want to go camping. This is so funny. Okay, that's perfect. I'm also trying to film a TikTok. Show us what's in the camping gear.
Okay, so we've got our sleeping pad here. We got a sleeping bag. Shout out REI for potential rainstorms. And we've got our tent bag. And we've got our tent poles. Stakes for the tent. Keep it down from the windstorm that's gonna blow it away. These crazy New York City winds.
Okay, I'm hungry. Let's go get some food. And by getting food, I totally mean we're making our own food at the campsite, and we are definitely not going. Right now we are going to a grocery store to get some dinner to make at the campsite. And hot chocolate. Because I made homemade marshmallows, and we're gonna make s'mores. Oh, and we should get sticks. Oh, it's busy today. We're at the grocery store. Okay, first step. We need to find this pre-made sauce because we're starving. We don't have time to make it from scratch. And then we're gonna get chicken. This is really good pre-made sauce. Mission accomplished. Back to building our tent. Well, we actually haven't started building the tent yet, but back to the campsite we go.
We went out foraging.
Whoa, the sky. Oh, the sky looks a lot prettier on camera, honestly, than it does. We are beginning the tent build now. We're talking to a Boy Scout right here. He knows all about this.
Rome wasn't built in a day, but I hope we can build this tent in a day. Okay. Let's do it.
Now we're assembling all the poles, but we have the base down and it's looking perfect. It's perfect size for this New York City apartment.
Start connecting them gently.
So far, so good. The tent is really coming along.
It's kind of bendy, so
we're clipping the last clips onto the poles. Okay. We're reporting live from the tent. It is officially built. Now we just have to add our accessories. This is so fun.
Okay, so yeah.
Oh, we're gonna get really cuddly tonight on this. Okay, guys, just look at these blankets that I have. So this is my Shrek blanket. My mom got me this for Christmas last year, and it says, "Check yourself before you Shrek yourself," and that was a really thoughtful gift from her. The next one is also from my mom. She thrifted this for me. She knows me so well. It is a Twilight Eclipse blanket with the 3 characters' face on it. And we'll be using this for camping. Okay, we're setting down the first layer. Oh, this is perfect. Okay, that works. For our toes, because those usually get cold.
I think you need at least 3 more blankets in there.
Pillow number 2. Cute, yeah. That'll go on my side.
Vienna, thoughts, reactions?
I am loving this. I'm definitely sleeping in here tonight. I'm so excited. You want to test it out?
No, I think you should test it out.
Get in there.
No. It's pretty nice in here. Okay, so how's camping going?
It's going really well. It's getting kind of cold outside and I think it might start to rain. Is that a bear? How are my acting skills? Rate it compared to my tent building skills. And those are pretty good. Reservation for 2 in the Vienna Skye, New York City tent. That better not be a bug bite. But good thing I have bug repellent. I have some snacks. And some very important things. I have a flashlight. Now that we're settled in, I think we're gonna make s'mores by the campfire, which I have been really excited about. I actually made the s'mores from scratch using things I found at the campsite. Have I ever made homemade marshmallows? No. But there's a first for everything, and since we're going camping, I figured I might as well try. 3 packets of gelatin. I'm scared I'm gonna mess this up. Adding this, and it specifically says do not stir. So I'm gonna set this aside after. So I bought a candy thermometer because we're going to be heating up corn syrup, sugar, and water, which I'm gonna be doing in this pan, my Selena Gomez pan. This is what I asked for Christmas, and I asked for a bunch of other things from this website. My mom got me a pan for my oven, and since I'm in New York, the ovens are so small, the pan did not even fit in the oven. So now I have a fancy pan that won't go in my oven. Finally using this, which does fit, for the marshmallows. I've never used this before. 2/3 cup of corn syrup, 2 cups of granulated sugar. The next parts are happening quick. The gelatin's already looking funky. Okay, so I'm stirring all the corn syrup situation. I forgot to press record when we did the crazy step, but that's okay. We had a corn syrup debacle. I got some of this mixture all over my lens, but we're good now. And it's looking good.
Should we play some music?
No, because it'll get copyrighted.
No.
Although unfortunately I am demonetized because I didn't post enough. So let's watch this video, let's smash that subscribe button, let's smash that like button, let's comment down below so we can get monetized again and keep making videos like this. Likes my shirt, by the way. It's Michael Cera, just fangirl. Our marshmallows have officially set. It's been about 6 hours, I think. I have my well-oiled knife and a bowl of cornstarch and powdered sugar. So now I'm gonna just hope for the best. Oh, this is easier than I thought. They're like so squishy and yummy. This actually looks really good. We were gonna make homemade graham crackers, but I did not have enough time to do that. So we have this Hershey's chocolate bar, and the wrapper of the Hershey's chocolate bar has my face on it, and it says hot dog lover Vienna. And my friend Ryan, this girl, got it for me for my birthday. Guys, I think I actually hurt my camera more this time. There's powdered sugar in the microphone. No! I have my marshmallow and we are at the campfire. Okay, come over here. Oopsies. This is so good. I'm that graham cracker. Oh my god, this is so funny. Good night, guys. Bye.
It's a great tent. It's never been set up in a New York City apartment before. That's a first. Or really inside any apartment before. I've taken this thing to lots of places, mostly in California.
I'm all tucked in my sleeping bag and I'm ready for bed. I need a bedtime story. I think I forgot to mention I'm afraid of the dark.
No.
It's a bug bite.
Really?
It's a bug bite, yeah. But I had bug repellent, but it's getting worse.
That was great. That was actually brilliant. Wow.
Yeah, you know, because there's a lot of bugs out here. Out in the wilderness in Glacier National Park. The view that we had today, it was beautiful. We saw deer. It was stunning. No. Not that, no. We saw deer. It was stunning. I'm working on my thumbnail options just in case. It's so funny because like my kitchen is literally there. Like I'm in a tent and then my kitchen is like downstairs. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will be making more content like this because this is very fun. And I'm thinking of keeping this tent in my apartment. I'm gonna sublet it out. So if you're interested, let me know. Okay, good night.